Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys, mobile hotspot setting guys how can be off. Friends, you want to off guys your Infinix phone guys mobile hotspot guys you don't want to use, so how can you turn off from your phone setting? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you. So friends, now let's see how can we off it. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friend, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, click on guys your hotspot setting. Then click on guys your phone Wi-Fi hotspot. Friends, you can see guys your hotspot is on, so we will off from here. After guys you can see this share option will remove in your Infinix phone device because guys hotspot is off. So once you want to share guys your phone mobile hotspot, so you will have to again on your hotspot, then guys you can share. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to off mobile hotspot in Infinix phone device from phone settings. So bye guys, we will meet on next video guys with new topic guys.